Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Function. A function is a type of relation which has only one output value with respect to any permissible input value. The argument and the value may be real numbers, but they can also be elements from any given set. The domain, the codomain of the function, and all the assigned values are in the range of the function. Let A and B be two non-empty sets. A function f A upon B is a rule that corresponds to each A belonging to A to unique B belonging to B. A is called domain and B is called codomain. It is denoted as B is equal to FA. B is called image of F. A range of F is the set of images of members of A. Thus range of F is equal to FA is equal to FA, where A belongs to A, which is a subset of B. Note FA is always a subset of B. Domain and range of a function. Domain of each function is determined by looking at those values of the independent variable, usually x, which are allowed to use. Avoid 0 on the bottom of a fraction or negative values under the square root side, because these are not allowed values. Range. The range of a function is the complete set of all possible resulting values of the dependent variable, that is y, usually after we have substituted the domain, that is value of x. In simple terms, domain is all values that go into a function and the range is all the values that come out. Codomain is what can possibly come out of the function. So in the picture, set A is the domain containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B is the codomain containing element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and set of elements that get pointed to in B. The actual values represented by the function are the range, also called the image, which is 3, 5, 7, 9. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.